Hello and welcome to this training series. I'm glad you made that decision, and I'll do my best to show you everything the way it should be done so you can learn. And then at the last day, you can simply copy and paste everything that I've done, and you should be able to generate sales, commissions, and grow your email list above all. So let's get right into it, okay? So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to show you. Oh, oops, that's not what I wanted. First, let me just make this one float on top, yeah? It doesn't really show itself. Okay, then I'll have to keep it like that. Okay, so first things first, I'm just gonna explain the whole concept again, step by step, yeah? So all you gotta do, yeah, is we're gonna sign up for WordPress. We're gonna get a domain, a hosting, and we're gonna install WordPress on that domain, and you will have your own personal space in the internet, which is great, isn't it? So the way the whole concept works, yeah. So basically, all the gurus and people that are teaching how to build a WordPress website and how to generate income online and stuff like that, what they're saying is that you need to build a website, you need to make content for it, and all that stuff. Yeah, it is true, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna make things the other way around. Okay, so basically, first we're gonna build an offer, yeah, because you're gonna spend money on that website, yeah, and you want to return your investment as quick as possible, right? Everybody wants that, and I know that. Okay, I want the same, yeah. So when I make something, I want to see results as quick as possible, like everybody else, and that's exactly what we're gonna do, yeah. So we're gonna make a sales funnel first, where you're gonna promote somebody else's product, okay? Excuse me. You're gonna promote somebody else's product, yeah. This will generate income, and this will return your investment, the money that you're gonna spend on that website. Okay, so that's how the system works. Then when the sales funnel is built, when you already generate income, then you can decide that you want to scale up and expand your website. You can make it a blog, you can make it an e-commerce website, you can make it other stuff. We're gonna talk about that later. I'm not gonna say too much now, yeah. I think I'm gonna talk more about it in video 5, okay? So let's get right into it, yeah? So first things first, where do you find the product to promote? Well, there are many places where you can find products, yeah, where signing up is completely free in most places, because everybody wants their product to sell more. They're willing to share a percentage of each sale with you, yeah. That's what affiliate marketing is. Basically, affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You find the link, and you need to find people to buy through that link. Okay, that's what affiliate marketing is. That's what we're gonna do right now, yeah. So there are a few places where you can find affiliate products. So, but the biggest place is called ClickBank. So let me show you quickly here, yeah. So this is what ClickBank looks like. I'm already logged in, obviously, yeah. So all you want to do is you need to sign up for ClickBank. It's completely free, and then you need to press Marketplace, which is here somewhere, and you come to this page here. Okay, so on the left side, this here, that's all different niches, yeah. Now this part is really important, guys. You need to understand that, yeah. The way the system works, or if you want to build a website or anything, yeah, you need to be knowledgeable about something. Okay, so these niches here, yeah, they all work, they all sell well, okay? So not all of them, but most of them. So for example, yeah, um, I would go with health and fitness in this case, yeah. I've been a passionate gym lover in the past, yeah. I love going to the gym. I don't do it anymore. I still do from time to time, not that often, but I know a lot about it because I've been doing it for quite a few years, yeah. Or maybe you love cooking, yeah. You love cooking, you love food, you love wine, you love computers, anything, betting, just anything, yeah. Anything that you're knowledgeable about, yeah. You should be able to create content about this niche, yeah. Um, so yeah, obviously you just must be knowledgeable about something in your life. So just think of something that you've done in the past, or you've been passionate about, or you've been practicing a lot. Just something like that. Okay. So let's say, for example, what did I say? Health and fitness, right? So let's find health and fitness. Here it is. You press on health and fitness. Yeah. Now, on this screen, on this page, you can see all of that stuff is different products, yeah? Different products in the health and fitness niche. And you even have sub niches, yeah? So, like smaller niches. So, you can find yoga, women's health, strength training, spiritual health, mental health, and so on and so on. So what we're going to do is we come here, you press gravity, yeah? So that is going to show you the most popular offers at the moment, yeah? So we can see that the Red Tea Detox, huge new weight loss offer, June launch. So that's fresh, that's new, I think. So you can press here, and we're gonna see what their landing page looks like, yeah? So this is their landing page. It costs $37. It probably has some upsells and downsells along the way. This is a funnel, I would assume. And you can see all that stuff here, yeah? So this is a typical ClickBank product. If it's number one by gravity, that means that it is converting well. So we can choose to promote this product, yeah? As I said, making an account with ClickBank is completely free. You need to choose a niche and choose a product to promote. Yeah. So when you click promote, it's gonna give you the link. Okay. So this link, all you have to do is make people buy from your link. Okay. And the way we're gonna do that is by creating content around this product, okay? But not like 4,000 word blog post, which is going to take ages, yeah? But maybe if you're really good at writing, it might not take that long, but still, it's a long process, okay? So this is it, guys. This is the first thing we're gonna do, yeah? You make an account with ClickBank or any other affiliate marketplace, and you find a product that you like and you want to promote. So, for example, the best thing to do actually is probably just contact them, contact the product that you want to promote, and message them, look, I want to promote this product, but I need a sample of it, I need to use it for a while and stuff like that, so you know what the product is all about, and then you're gonna start creating content around this product, okay? So that's the first thing, find the product and get the link. So the next step is we're gonna set up a WordPress website. To do that, we need a domain and hosting. So I'm just gonna go to WordPress's website, yeah, WordPress.org, just to give you a quick look around, yeah. So that's how WordPress looks like. You can see it was saying here somewhere. That's how websites built on WordPress looks like. This is inside WordPress, the dashboard, how you edit stuff and things like that. So as you can see, 30% of the web use is WordPress, which is quite a lot. This is how a WordPress website looks like. You can see they look gorgeous, and you can see powerful features, limitless possibilities. What can you create? Responsive, high performance, high security, CEO friendly, and stuff like that. We've got a huge community around them. They do events in most parts of Europe and stuff like that. So we're gonna use this one. However, we're gonna use a hosting company, yeah. So don't press download WordPress. You can if you want to. So WordPress recommends free hosting companies, yeah. So the first one is Bluehost. I think they're like the main WordPress recommendation. I haven't used them, so I can't say anything about them. I know they're popular, but I don't have my own opinion about it. So DreamHost, another one. I'm not. I don't know them very well, so I can't say anything about it. However, I know SiteGround, as this is the one that I use. So I would highly recommend SiteGround. They're just an amazing hosting. They're just very high quality. I've never ever had a problem with them and stuff like that. They're not the cheapest option, but hosting is not expensive at all, to be honest. So it's not a big deal, really. So here they are. They've got free plans. You can see the difference between them. What I would go is probably this one here, because this one is suitable for 10,000 visits monthly. 10 gigabytes web space, essential WordPress features. So also it comes with a free SSL, which is necessary to say secure here. Yeah, that when it says secure, it's when you've got SSL. So yeah, I highly recommend SiteGround. Go with them. You'll be quite happy with your hosting. So I'm not sure if you can get a domain from them. You should be able to, but I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, get a SiteGround hosting. They're very nice. $6.45 a month. So 6.45 multiplied by 12. That's 77 euros. I'm not sure how much is that in dollars. 77 euros, pounds. So yeah, I don't know how much is it in dollars, but it's around 70 something dollars. That's without the VAT though, so you need to add 20% VAT. And that's for a whole year. So if you're serious about that stuff, you need a high quality hosting, go with SiteGround and you're gonna be okay. Okay. So the next thing is, so now we've got a product, yeah, we've got the product, we've got the right product, okay. Then you got hosting, yeah, this is where your website is going to be, and we also need a domain, okay. So domain, I think SiteGround is doing domains, I'm not 100% sure. So you can get a domain from loads of different places. It's very, very cheap. It's like, I don't know how much is it. I think it's around $10 a year or something like that. So where you can get a domain from GoDaddy. I used GoDaddy in the past. You just type the domain name and it's going to tell you if it is available. Try to go with a .com domain. That's the one that's preferred. Go with a .com domain. Avoid everything else that's not .com or at least .co.uk or something like that, because .com is the real deal, let's say it that way, yeah. So about GoDaddy, it's okay for domains. However, don't do not get hosting from them. Okay, so I used to have hosting from GoDaddy and had loads of problems. The whole website was crashing all the time. It was just terrible experience. Their customer service is terrible. They can't sort out your problems. And if there's something wrong and it requires an extra effort from GoDaddy side, they want to charge you extra, stay away from GoDaddy, okay? But for domains, it's fine. So you get a domain from GoDaddy, you get hosting from SiteGround, and you have already decided on your product. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna connect your hosting with your domain. To do so, you need to log into your hosting website. So we're gonna do like that. Gonna wait for that to load. Here we are. So what we're gonna do is you press on my account. That is how you connect your thingies, okay? And then you need to press installations, I think it was. Yeah, installations. You press WordPress Joomla Toolkit. And here we are, okay? So that's the name servers that you need to use. Yours might be different. That's how mine look like. Obviously, I live in the UK. I'm in Bulgaria on holiday. So their servers are based somewhere in Europe, obviously. So what you need to do is add on domains here, and to find your domains, you need to log into your domain provider. In my case, it's GoDaddy. You need to sign in, and we're gonna wait for it to load. So here it is, yeah? So you pick one of your domains, you press DNS, and then you can see that name servers, yeah? All you have to do is change that, press custom, and enter your, where was it? Name servers that you get from your hosting. These here, you need to copy and paste them and put them here. I'm not gonna do that right now because I don't need to do it, but you get the point, yeah? So then you're gonna wait a day or so, and that will be ready, okay? So that's basically it, pretty much, yeah? So when you press add on domains, you need to enter a name and all of that stuff, and that's pretty much it, guys. You enter domain and a password, yeah. The rest will be automatically adjusted, yeah. So obviously, if you have any problems with setting all that up, SiteGround are actually going to do it for you, okay? They've got amazing customer service, and it's 24/7 via a chat button or something, yeah? So they're gonna set everything up. Then you're gonna do a manual installation of WordPress. You're going to install WordPress, and then all you have to do is obviously log into your new website, and you will be transferred to a page looking like that. So this website is called Test One, and it's a fresh WordPress installation. Yeah, that's how WordPress will look like the first time you see it. Okay, and we're gonna talk more about what are you going to actually do inside WordPress in the next video. Okay, So just a quick recap of day one. Okay, you log into ClickBank first, yeah, or any other affiliate marketplace. You find a product that you want to promote, and you're knowledgeable enough about the whole niche to actually promote that product. Yeah, you need to know stuff about the niche to be able to promote the product. There's no other way around it. Okay, so then that's WordPress. So then you need to get a domain first. Yeah, then you get a domain. So you go to GoDaddy, for example, or any other domain provider. I don't recommend GoDaddy. They're okay for domains. Never get hosting for them. And you go to GoDaddy and you start looking for, there you go, loser.com, for example. Yeah, loser.com is a nice, and it's actually available for 7.5k pounds. So I wouldn't buy it, but it is a decent domain. Okay, so you start looking for domains like that. For example, if you're promoting health and fitness product, needs to be, for example, health and fitness.com. Obviously, this one will be reserved. Fitness.com is available. Yeah, so it costs £1 when you register for 2 years or more. First year price is £1, additional year £13. Yeah, so it's like £15 for 2 years. Doesn't cost nothing, but it needs to be a good domain. Yeah, it needs to be .com, none of that .technology, .fit, all of those. Look, fitnessandshape.com. It's £1,800. So you need a domain that doesn't look scammy. Okay, so you need to think about it and come up with a nice name. Okay, so that's step number 2. And step number 3 is getting hosting. Yeah, so you can come to SiteGround, get hosting from SiteGround. You can show prices with VAT, please. It's a high quality hosting. I'm very happy with them, highly recommend them. Yeah, so you need to go to SiteGround, get hosting. If you're struggling with setting this thing up, SiteGround will do it for you, no problem at all. They've got 24/7 chat support, so anytime just click support, and just click support, here it is. And you come here, and our support team is available to you 24/7 via phone, chat, or ticket. Proceed to contact us here. You contact them, you can see that for 1 year, 100%, no issues at all. Okay, so that's everything for day one, guys. Just follow the steps and do everything that I've done. Obviously, I didn't get a domain because I don't actually need it. I was just showing you around. But just get a domain, get hosting, install WordPress on your website, and you will be ready to go. Okay. Before doing all that, make sure you find a nice product that you actually know stuff about, and then I'll show you how we are actually going to promote this product. Okay. So that's everything for day one. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Just do this one a little bit so I can show myself. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you have any questions, there should be a comment section below. Ask in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer all your questions and to help you along the way. And that's it. So at the end of day one, you should be able to log into WordPress that looks like that. Okay. Right in the beginning when you start is we have to install some code. Yeah, so this code will help us track what's happening on our page first of all, and also it will give us very important analytics as well. So what we are going to do right now is we shall install this code right now. Okay, so let me just do like that a little bit, and here like that, yeah. So I hope you can see that well, guys. So basically, this is when you're on your dashboard here, yeah. Yours is gonna look different, obviously, but you will have that Thrive dashboard. Excuse me. So all you have to do is press here, and it's going to load this page. So this is the page where you've got your Thrive plugins and all of that stuff. So we are looking for landing pages, analytics, and scripts. So there are actually two ways of doing that, yeah. So I'll talk about it in a minute, okay? So right now, we can install your tracking codes here. So basically, you install the codes here, and then they're automatically applied to all the landing pages that you create forever, okay? Which is great, so you don't have to install codes all the time. But there is another way of doing it as well. So you just go to your landing page, which is this one that we just created, and you press here, page setup, then you come to landing page settings, and you can install the code here, yeah. So there are three types of code: header scripts, body, body header, or body footer, okay. So I'm gonna show you how to install some code, and I'm gonna explain to you why are we actually doing that, yeah. So let me just keep this one floating on the top so you can see me, yeah. All right, so basically I've got three codes here installed, yeah. So one is Hotjar, the other one is ManyChat, which is the messenger bot, which I'm going to talk about more tomorrow, actually, because tomorrow is the backend, building the backend of your funnel, and what else? And we've got Facebook Pixel, okay. So and Hotjar. So basically, the way this works, yeah. So you click here, you take the code from the website that you're gonna use. So for example, if it is ManyChat, yeah, you come here, it says, so this is when you're setting up a button, yeah, you come here, I'm gonna show you step by step tomorrow, yeah, so I don't want to waste time on that. You click install JavaScript snippet, you install it, and then embed your widget, embed this code into your page, yeah. So this one, I think this will actually have to be, let's see if it works, yeah, looks like it works. So yeah, is that this one? No. Cool. So you press here, you enter your website, yeah, the domain, you click out, and then you come here, you copy this thing, yeah, and then you come here and you paste it here. Most of the codes needs to be pasted in the header. Only Google Tag Manager goes in the header and in the body, yeah. So you come here, you paste this one here, and that's it. Now all your landing pages should be displaying that ManyChat buttons or whatever you place there. The other one is Hotjar. So Hotjar is let's have a look. So Hotjar is great, yeah. Hotjar basically shows what actions every visitor takes on your landing page, all right? So you can see that I haven't installed it just on on this new page, yeah. So it doesn't show great results, but here somewhere recordings, and you will be able to see what, here it is. Well, that's myself. Let's have a look at this one. 21st of May. You click here. Let me just demonstrate this one. So here it is. That's my funnel. Yeah. And you can see what's happening here. Oh, someone checked it on his phone. Yeah, that was a phone. So basically it shows the actions that a user takes on your landing page, which is absolutely fantastic, and it's free to use for um, a limited amount of time, I think. I'm not 100% sure. And you click here, it gives you that tracking code, copy to clipboard, and then you come here, you go to this page here. Oh no, not this one. Sorry, I got confused. Yeah, you come here and you do the same thing. Add new. You paste the code here. You click here on the site, and most of the analytic codes, it automatically detects which plugin is it. So we paste the code. You click here on the site, and it says Hotjar. All right, and that's it. Now the third one. We're not going to install Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager as of now, because it just gets a bit more complicated. So we can do it the way it is, really. So, and the third one is called Facebook Pixel. Okay, so Facebook Pixel, what Facebook Pixel allows you to do, yeah, is like, damn, I'm sweaty. So it's really hot here. So basically, Facebook Pixel will allow you to track users' activity in some way. Yeah, so it's not like you don't know who the user is. Yeah, so Facebook is not giving you information who that user is. Yeah, but you can track their activity again. Yeah, so the first thing, and then when Facebook Pixel needs to work for a while before it becomes efficient. All right, so we're just going to install it on your website, your landing page, and then we'll let it work for a while. At some point, when you start converting, yeah, from your other sources of traffic, it would be a great idea to spend some money on Facebook ads. Yeah, so Facebook ads are not the most effective, in my opinion. Yeah, I basically don't really. I mean, they work, but it's really called traffic, yeah. So there are three types of traffic, but we're gonna talk about that tomorrow, so I'm not gonna get into that. So yeah, basically, that will allow you to retarget people that have visited your pages. Yeah, can you imagine? So that's why when you visit a certain website, you start seeing it on Facebook, you start seeing it on Google, because of these pixels and cookies and stuff like that, yeah? So Facebook knows that you've been to that website, and then all out of sudden, ad with my face comes on. Hey, I've noticed that you've been on my website, blah, 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 blah. So that's how it works, yeah? Facebook Pixel is the thing that finds you on Facebook and shows you the ads for things that you've been looking for in the past. Okay, so let's install Facebook Pixel now. You need to have an account like that, which is a Business Manager. So you're in Business Manager, you click here, and that thing comes up, yeah? So you can see Ads Manager, Audience Insights, Creative, there's lots of stuff. Yeah, Facebook is huge. But what we are interested in is Pixel. So you come to Pixels, you click here, and then what you're gonna do is you click here, Facebook Pixels, you press, nope, it's not here. Oh, you press here, Details, and then you press Setup, yeah? So you need to here, Pixels, Details, Setup. Now, when you come here, there are a few options. Email instructions to a developer. If you've got a developer, blah, 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 you can send the instructions to someone. You don't need that, yeah? It's simple enough, trust me. So, it looks a bit complicated installing code, HTML, blah, blah, blah. It's very simple. So, there is a user integration or tag manager. So if you've got Google Tag Manager, You can Google Tag Manager is like a place where you collect all your pixels. Google call them tags, all the codes for your website. But we're not going to use that right now. We're going to install that manually because it's easy enough. Yeah. So basically, you come here and you click on that. Yeah. So there are two things here, two windows with code in them. Yeah. So this one is unclickable. Yeah. You can see that. Yeah. And this one is the one that we're going to copy. Okay. Now, Google Pixel has a few different features, options. Okay, so this is the main one. We're gonna copy this one, Facebook Pixel code, and we come here and let me have a look. Yes, and you paste the Facebook Pixel code here. Okay, so you press Add New, you paste the code here, click here, Facebook Tracking Pixel. There you go. That's it. Now there's something else. So obviously we've got Pixel up and it's running. Now the next thing is you can use advanced matching. No, not that. No. Press continue. You press continue and this is what happens. So basically this is used mostly among dropshippers, Shopify store owners, and basically people using Facebook ads a lot, are using Facebook Pixel. But we actually won't use it that often, yeah. But anyway, there's loads of options that you can choose if you want. It can track purchases, it can track generate leads. All of these stuff can be tracked. Yeah, for example, someone purchased cart, initiate checkout. Yeah, so for example, someone initiated checkout on your e-commerce store, but they didn't finish buying. Yeah, something happened. Yeah, you don't know what. You can retarget them with an ad on Facebook saying, hey, I've noticed that you wanted to buy this and that, but then eventually you didn't. So that's why I want to give you a 10% off or something like that, just anything, yeah, anything. So this is what Facebook Pixel is. It's a piece of code that you need to install manually, or you can integrate it if you prefer. I haven't tried that way because I find it installing it manually easy enough, but you can basically do whatever you want with it. Install it in any way that you find easier. And so we install free codes, yeah? We install Facebook Pixel, we install Hotjar, and we install ManyChat, okay? 3 pieces of code that needs to be installed right at the beginning on all your landing pages, or you can do it manually one by one. It's up to you, really. These codes will allow us, so Hotjar will allow us to see what action every visitor is taking on our landing page, yeah, where they go, what are they looking at, and give us information about their actions. So Facebook Pixel is pretty much the same. Obviously, it doesn't record a video like Hotjar, so it's not as good in giving us accurate information. But what it will allow us to do is it will allow us later on, when you're ready, yeah, when you have already sent some traffic to your landing page, it will allow us to retarget, which is basically the name for cheap ads on Facebook. It will allow us to retarget your landing page visitors on Facebook, which is obviously with Facebook ads, which can have a great effect for your landing page and your offer and whatever you're selling or whatever you're doing. Yeah. And the third one is ManyChat, which is a messenger bot. which I'm going to talk about more tomorrow. So basically, we install the code just so our landing pages can display the ManyChat buttons. Okay, so that's everything, and thanks. Thank you.